going on, YouTube? It's your boy TVQ back with another video. Today's video is going to be simple, very simple, but it's a little mod that I gotta do so that this car can be safe when it's running, etc., and just look clean. Some of y'all watched the videos before where you seen me put the battery right here. It's been running right here. We're not doing that anymore. We're going to be installing the battery box today so we can be as safe as possible. So I got my mounting hardware right here for the top part, obviously to lock the battery in place of the box with the nuts. So now I need to go to Home Depot and basically find screws, well, nuts and bolts, so now I can lock down the actual metal part itself. I am gonna have to do some drilling, might switch to GoPro to record, don't know yet, but yeah, we finna get right. Without further ado, to Home Depot I go. All right, we made it to Home Depot. Finna go get some nuts and some bolts. I brought it with me so I can make sure that it fits. So I found the nuts and bolts that I'm gonna use with washer and lock washer. It's probably overboard, but this is what I'm gonna use. Now I'm gonna go check out and go home and do this shit. Alright, so the bolts are attached, and now I'm on the way back home. And Shorty at the register gave me a discount. She was old enough to be my grandma. She probably thought I was sexy. I appreciate her. Home Depot, I love you. Hey there. Alright, so I just got done eating. I got my nuts and bolts, obviously. I'm finna head to Barnesville to my cousin's house to pick up the drill because I can't find my drill. It magically grew legs and disappeared. So I'm finna go do that right now, and then we're gonna install the battery box. To my cousin's house I go. That boy fancy. Look at that boy. Alright, so I'm back at the house. I'm gonna try to do this quietly. I probably let the garage down because I got some Karens that stay in this neighborhood and I don't want to hear their mouth. All right, let's see how we gonna do this. Let's see if this will go through there. Yes, sir. So I'm marking where I'm gonna drill at. Perfect. All right, so I'm inspecting under the car, and as you can see, there's no wires, so I don't have anything to worry about. I can just drill. If I gotta remove anything for the evap, like this, it can get gone. Doesn't matter. Yeah, happy drilling. So I got my first starter hole right there. I'm working on a second one. My cousin's drill is dead. Watch. That means I need to get a drill from work tomorrow or something, borrow a drill. I don't know, but this drill's dead. Appreciate it, cousin. Shout out to Steve, he let me borrow the drill.
Hey.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I'll bring it back next year.
I think I'm taped.
I'm gonna bring it back next year, bro. That's cool?
Oh, man.
That's not cool?
Bring it back next year. I need to.
Oh, shit.
Right.
Your boy fresh off work, back in the house. Hopefully I can finish this video tonight or get somewhat close. Back to the battery box install. Alright, so I got one hole drilled. I'm gonna try to put one of the bolts through it and see if it goes through. It should go through. It looks like it would. So now I got two holes, but guess what? It don't fit. It don't fit. It's all good though. Just gonna make the hole bigger. So I seriously got lucky. I seriously got lucky tonight. Found a bigger drill bit. And yeah, we got the drill. idiot. Alright, so now I made the hole bigger. Gotta make that hole bigger. Put my other 2 holes on that side. At this part. Now for a test fit. Perfect. Alright, so now I got 4 holes for my battery box. I don't know what the fuck that is. Kinda scary. But yeah. Alright, so I got my 4 bolts in. I need to put the battery right here first to see if it'll fit with these washers on it. If it doesn't, then I remove the washers. It still got a lock washer at the top anyway, so it'll be alright. But your boy been working. So the good news is it'll fit. Don't have to remove any washers. Sits almost perfect. It's just a little high on this side, but as long as it's secure, I don't really care. Yeah, it's gonna be alright. Alright, so got a washer and inlet on this side. On this side, I can only fit a clutch washer. And the other one, I cannot get to unless I remove this evap canister, which I'll more than likely end up doing. And yeah, I just gotta put washer and nut on that one, and I'm good to go. 3 should be able to hold it perfectly fine. I'll deal with this one later. I'm not taking all this shit off right now, so I'll worry about tightening the bolts later. But it's secure. It's not moving. It's secure. So that's a plus. Now all I gotta do is take these studs, throw them in right there. Then there's 2 more in the back. Oh, put the pipe on first. So I can put it on after it's in. I got all 3 studs mounted right there. I'm excited because this actually went better than I expected it to go. So yeah, let's move forward. So we got 3 little poles that go over the studs. I guess this is to protect it. I'm gonna assume. I'm gonna assume. Excuse me. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Okay. And now for the last piece. This goes over the 3 studs and it locks in place with, I guess those are locking nuts, but they don't look like locking nuts to me, but yeah. Like that. And now for our locking nuts. These better be the right. Okay. They are the right nuts. Bet. Bet. Yes, sir. Oh, it's secure. That's what I'm talking about. And just like that, we're done with the battery box. Alright, so basically now, all I would do would be connect the positive and connect the negative. I am going to clean this up a little bit better so it looks better, but the car will start on this setup, so it's perfectly fine. I am going to clean up that power wire though, and the ground. Try to make it look a little bit more neater. And probably put the distribution block somewhere, probably right here, or probably on the battery, but I really don't want to put it on the battery. I don't know, I'll figure it out. All right, y'all, so that's gonna conclude this video. Make sure y'all comment, like, and subscribe, and share it to a friend. If they want to do a battery box, pretty much I showed you how to do a battery box. Peace.